Hey guys, Paul Farmer. So today I want to talk about power lead system features. What are the power lead system features? So power lead system, actually before I get to that, let me just go over here and let you know where you can connect with me. Okay, so just come over here to Facebook, Paul G. Farmer, and you can ask your questions, reach out to me right there. I also have a blog, paulgfarmer.com, and you can find information about what I do here as well. Just go to the PLS tab. You can learn more about PLS here, or go to get my training here as well. Okay, so everything I do is up here. You can see it right there. Very transparent with you. Okay, so power lead system. What are the features of power lead system? All right, well, we're going to get right to that. So let me go ahead and log in. Actually, go right into the system here. Go to web pages. Okay, so power lead system offers, it's a marketing system, it's a training platform, it's many things, but it's a marketing system. And marketing, if you're going to try to make money online, if you want to make money online, if you have a business online or offline, it doesn't matter, you can benefit from power lead system. So the features, I'm just going to kind of go through this somewhat fast. They have capture pages, okay? They have done for you capture pages, and they have custom capture pages that you can do yourself. Okay, so I'll go to that in a minute. There are sales pages. You can create sales pages, okay, in the same place. There is an email autoresponder inside a power lead system, so you don't need to go out and buy Aweber or GetResponse or any of those, pay that extra amount. Now, I do recommend having one of those. Aweber actually integrates with power lead system, and I believe GetResponse does too. I have Aweber myself. Okay, the reason is you want to have basically two different, you want to have people on more than one list. That way if they opt out of one list, you still have them on their list, and you can still get the information to them. Okay, so it just makes it easy too. To have the email autoresponder here. You can broadcast, you can set up follow-ups, you can create campaigns. It's very simple. Okay. So you purchase a domain when you come into Power Lead System, and that's like, I want to say $12 to $13 a year. And with those domains, you can create many domains. So for example, let me just go to my domains here. So you can create a domain, it's a subdomain, okay, and you can put anything you want in front of that domain and link it to a page, and it will go to, I mean, you can see I have tons. And these are unlimited throughout the year, so you can just put as many as you want to go as many pages as you want within it. Also, there's a contact manager, where you can view your contacts and track them and see who's clicking, who's not clicking, reach out to people, that kind of thing. There's a full training area, including this Endless Free Leads 11. This is a Facebook training that actually sells on the market. You can go buy it outside of Power Lead System. I believe it's about $200. Don't quote me on that, but it's about $200. And there's scripts, how to set up your page to attract people to your page, and what to say. There's scripts for every type of person, and it's a pretty powerful training, and you get this completely free. You don't have to go and buy it and pay out of pocket, because it comes included with Power Lead System. There's something called sharing codes, and when you have sharing codes, what you can do is you can make it so, like, let's say you create a capture page and you create a sales page, or you just create a capture page and you want to share that capture page with your team. All you need to do is enter in the share code and give them the share code. You just create the share code and you give them the share code. So let me just show you. So I'm just going to go to my web pages. As you can see, I have tons and tons and tons of pages here. and funnels and these kind of things. Okay, so what's so powerful about this is, let's say I create a page. So this one is no good. I'm going to get rid of that one. And I don't know what this one is. Okay, so let's say I want to share one. All I do is click on share. And then it's going to open up and I can enter a new code. I can just type it in, okay? And then all you do is you give that code away. You give that code away, and then people have your code and they have the same pages you created. Now let's say, you know, a top leader creates a page or a funnel meaning it has the capture page, it has a system, you know, it has a sales page, it walks you through the process, the benefits of doing it, that kind of thing, and it works on its own. You can come in here and create a page and just share it. Share that funnel with your team or whoever you want. A lot of people do this, and it's just a very, very powerful thing. I know of one guy, 3,000 people are sharing his funnel. 3,000 people plus are sharing his funnel. This is very powerful, and it's made him thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, and continues to do so with Power Lead System. And that's not even only from the compensation plan that Power Lead System has. I'm not going to cover the compensation plan, but it's a phenomenal plan. Just a little bit of a, just to let you know a little bit, it's 100% commissions plus a twist where you make 50% on your pass ups. So it's huge. Let's see, what else should I cover? So that's pretty much it. I mean, Power Lead System, there are so many features here. You can create your own capture pages. There's e-cards. There's virtual postcards. There's, you know, voice messaging. There's just many features. I just wanted to hit the main ones, and the main ones are these: custom, done for you capture pages that you can you can tweak and change, and or done for you templates. There's ones templates that are done for you that you can play around with it and change, and I'll show you that in a minute. There's sales pages that are done for you. There's sales pages that you can tweak and change. There's sales pages that you can create completely from a blank template. So if you know HTML, you know someone knows HTML, you can have them create a page for you using that template. Powerful, powerful, powerful. Like I said, there's multiple domains, so subdomains. You can integrate this with Aweber. Yeah, my Skype is going off today. All right. Subdomains. I already said that. There's tracking, training, every you get step-by-step training for each and everything. So let's say I want to make a web page. Okay, I'm going to go in here. Actually, I'm sorry, go to capture pages. You create it with a custom template that uses an opt-in page. And I'm just going to show you, like, okay, so there's different backgrounds here. This is lead page. Okay, so you have different, and you can play around with these and change the backgrounds, change the text, change the button. I mean, you can change everything. But see, here's a blank capture page. See, it's for advanced users. With these, you can literally take, let's say someone else has a page out there. You can basically copy the page source, and you could have that same page and just put in your Aweber list name in there, and you'll be able to capture leads using almost the same page. Maybe they're using a different system, but you use the source code. Now this is more advanced. I'm just letting you know you can do this. It's powerful, powerful, powerful. There's different video pages. These are just capture pages, by the way. These are just capture pages. If I wanted to do, let me just take one, okay? So this one here has a video background, which is cool. So you can choose email only, email, the three there, you know, have the telephone number, or just email and name, okay? Name and email. So I'm going to choose this one. It's just a template. And then you can change all this, Okay, the purpose of this video is not to teach you how to do all this, it's just kind of show you what's possible here. So you can change the title, you can change what this says because it's going to say it up here. When you open up the page, it will say get more referrals, it will say that up there. So I can use any domain I want in here, or I can create a new one. So I just put like new web link or whatever you want, you can put there. You can choose an autoresponder campaign, one that's done, or you can go create one. It's just so simple. Just click on it, that campaign will go out. You can say no campaign, your choice. You can choose where you want it to go. Okay, so you have a page in your website. That just means that I already have these. Look, all these are already in here. I could select one of these. Okay, I just picked one randomly, it doesn't matter, but you can select one of the pages that's already in here, so you don't have to go and create a new page. This is where it will forward to, this is where it will go. Okay, so you typically want a sales page, so we'll just pick a sales page. Okay, and then I can view that sales page. You can see what it looks like. That's going to go to a Power Lead System page. Okay, then I'll just save changes. And look at this. Okay, so this is the video that is going to play in the background. I can pick any of these and it should play in the background. Okay, so I can play around with this, or you can use your own. You can go find a video and it will play in the background. Now I don't know if this is going to work on my Google Chrome because I've been having some issues with that, but let's just go see. So you can go test it and see what it looks like. Taking just a minute to load here. It's a busy morning this morning. I got a lot of people coming through. Okay, so unfortunately, I don't know why, but on my Chrome, that doesn't come up. But if I go to Firefox, let me show you Firefox. Okay, there we go. So if I just enter that address on Firefox, oops. There we go. Let's see if it comes up here. Okay, so I should see some fire in the background if this is working correctly. And there it is. Okay, so I don't know if it just doesn't work on my Chrome or whatever, but you can see, is that cool or what? I mean, you got the flames in the background. It just looks really awesome. Now you can change the text here. I mean, you can change everything. So I'm going to go back to this page. Let's see here. Let's just go all the way back. Okay, let's go back to our web pages. I'll show you a static page. This doesn't have a video. So we'll just go to We Create It. Okay, and okay, so I'm gonna use the same link because I really don't care. But see, this is the one we created, so you can pick one of these. I'll just pick this because this is a system I use. This is just one of the things you can do with Power Lead System is you can get these share codes, and there's plenty of them out there. People are always making these. they can share with you. It's one of the things I love about this program. And you know, I'm just going to pause this. But see, this is a beautiful looking funnel already done. This leads to, it has an email follow-up sequence. It has everything in it.
Hello, this is Brian Bracken.
Just turn that off. But check this out. I can make a copy of this. Okay, I'm getting a little off track here, but I could go make a copy of this and put my own video, change the text, and I can take this funnel and make it my own funnel. That's very powerful. That really will make you stand out. As you can see, there's many different capture pages in here. But this is not what I wanted to show you. So let me go back. So we're going to go to you create it. You create it, okay? And I'm going to create a page. Opt-in form. Now look, they have videos for every single thing. So if you get lost, there's a video in here for everything. So you can just watch the video and learn how to do it. But I'm going to take this one. This has a static page. And I'm just going to select just email. Now you can view it before you choose it. And let's just fill this thing out. I want you to see how easy it is. So test beach, whatever. Example. Wow, can't type. Example. Okay. Again, this is anything you guys want to put in here. It doesn't matter. I'm going to use a domain name that we already created. What was that called? Man, let's see here. I might just create a new one. And everybody wants to talk to me today. I'm making a video. Let's see here. All right, anyway, I'm going to just create a new one because I don't want to waste time finding it. New link. Let's go powerful. Powerful. Let's say powerful, okay? So it's powerful. Powerful.leadsaresflowing.com. That is the URL. I just created that. I want this to go to, let's pick a campaign, okay? So we'll select a campaign. Going through this down here. Let's do Power Lead System Opportunity Campaign. This is what Power Lead System comes with. So I'm just going to plug that right in. That's done for you. Now I can go edit this. I can go create a new one, a copy, and then I can edit it. I'm not going to do that today. Corporate URL of a company I promote. Now, one of the features with Power Lead System is you can actually take the companies you're in and put them right in the system, and they're right here. So you just scroll down and you find what you want. Okay, so let's say I want to do Power Lead System. I will do Power Lead System. What is it going to do? It's going to go to the sign up page. Not sure I want that. Let's try. And I entered the URLs in here, and that's why it goes where it goes. You can actually change the name. You can change the URL. All this is very easy to do. So yeah, you just pick one of those, or you can go to View Page. Oops, not that one. You can find a page you want to promote. Okay, so I can come in here. I can find a page. Really doesn't matter. Let's do endless free leads 10. See what this is. Oh, that's a video I did. See? Let's do that one. And I'm telling you guys, it is blowing up. Or you could just select a website you want. Okay, so I'm going to do this page just for the heck of it. And it was free leads 10. That's where I actually talk about the endless free leads. It's actually 11 now. It was 10 when I did it. So I can change the background, guys. I can change it to anything I want. So, you know, we could do this nice tree. I myself love the beach. Okay, so I will pick one with the beach background here. There you go. See, now you have a beach background. You can completely change this if you want. Just as easy as just typing it in. That led me to 1,000 per day or something. You know, you can change it. Anything you want to do here, you can change. Very simple. If I don't want this on the bottom, delete it out. It's gone. Okay. So I'm just going to save changes. And we'll go view it. There it is. Look at that. And that was that easy or what? Let's go back. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to change it again. Let's edit the background again. Maybe we'll put dollar bills. Okay, let's put some dollar bills. Put some money, some cash. And there you go. Okay, so that's there. Save changes. View. There it is. Look at that. There it is. Okay, now if I opt in, let's see here. Oops. What happened there? Oh, I forgot the Gmail. Let's do that one. Then you get this little captcha code here, just for security. And look, it goes to the Power Lead System page that I told it to go to. I would have captured that lead. Look, it's see, we could add buttons and all this stuff. I'm not going to get all into that today. I just want to show you some of these features. So that's that. Pretty cool, right? Easy to do. There's training everywhere. Now, what I wanted to show you, one more thing, I'm wrapping this up, because there's just a lot in here. Integrated with Aweber, like I said. Let's see here. My money, sharing codes, my business. Okay, you go to my business, go to companies I promote, and this is what's cool here is you can actually add, see some of the ones I have. You could add the companies in with the link. Okay, you see that? 4 corners, join. So let's go back, okay? Oops. Web pages, my web pages. Test. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go to edit. Okay, here's the page. And let's say I wanted to go to 4 corners join. Okay, so I click this box. Done. Okay, 4 corners join. Now I can click any of these. I can do I can do traffic monsoon. See, because I put these into the program. All right, that's what I did. I put them in there. Okay, that's not it. So if I were to put that in there, it would go to here. It would go to the sign up page of Traffic Monsoon. So whatever program you're promoting, that's where it's going to go, because you enter those in. It's very simple to do. So let me go back over here again. My business, companies I promote. So all you would do, let's say you promote Beachbody. And scroll through here. And I'm just naming one, just off my brain, you know. Doesn't have to be Beachbody, it could be anything. But you just kind of go through here and see what's in here. Yeah, Beachbody 1 and 2, I'll just do 1. Okay, click here to save. Enter your URL. So www. I don't know what Beachbody is. Beachbody.com. I don't even know if that's it. Okay, and you put in your URL and all that, right? Your affiliate link. Click here to save. Now look, okay, so Where is it? Okay, Beachbody 1 right here, okay? I don't know if I put the right link. Let me see. Did I? Of course, this is just going to the main site. There it is. Look at that. It's opening up. It went to Beachbody. So whatever program you're in, you can enter your URL in there, your affiliate link. So let me go back. And this is a long video. I kind of didn't plan to do all this, but I think it's good. Okay, so here's my beach example. I'm going to come back. And let's just do this. Edit. Come in here. Look, test beach example. And now, look, Beachbody is going to be in here. Now watch this. I just entered this in. So simple, guys. So simple. Scroll menu, Beachbody 1. There it is. Test URL. Let's see where it goes. Where does this go? Goes nowhere. It's very slow. But this will open up to be Beachbody eventually. I don't know why it's so slow right now. We'll try it again. See if it helps. Waiting for Beachbody. So it's going to go there. It's just taking its precious time. And I don't want to make this video too much longer, so I'm going to actually probably go ahead and stop this. Just a minute here. Okay, I don't know if it's going to open up, but let me show you another one. Let's do... Well, we'll do Four Corners. Why not? Test URL, $18 one-time program. Should go to my sign-up page. There it is. Goes to my sign-up page. Look at that. Because I put those details in there, I have it go straight to my sign-up page. Now, why do I have that? Because I can program different buttons and things just with... because this shows up in like everything you do, like the buttons you have, it shows up in the system. It's already there. So it just makes it very easy. Now, of course, you can put your own website. I can do like Google or whatever, you know, but very simple. Okay, so that's basically the features. Recap, close this out. Capture pages. You need capture pages for your business. You need a way for people to come and enter their email, for you to capture their information. You need sales pages that will allow you to educate your prospect and show them the benefits and the features of what you have and how it's going to help them. It has a autoresponder, which is going to basically make it so you can send out emails automatically. There's tons of done-for-you stuff in there. Send out emails automatically or broadcast them, meaning you type them out and you send them out. There's you can manage your websites as share codes where you can share your funnel, your pages. Other people can share them with you. It's very powerful. There's all kinds of step-by-step training. There's Facebook training. Any kind of training on online marketing is found in here. There's a contact manager. There's traffic. I mean, there's promotional materials right here. I didn't talk about that. You could add your own business in here. Very easy to do that. In fact, I'm going to go pull that one out that I just put because I don't want it in there. There's no need for it. You can have multiple subdomains. So just delete this one. Simple as that. So again, this is just a very, very powerful system that I promise you, you will use. And the more time you spend in here, the more you're going to learn about it and the more you're going to want to use it. I use this every single day, and it just makes it easy for you to stand out from the crowd, and it's not going to cost you, like some programs are $100 a month, $150 a month. It's not going to cost you that, okay? And it has a phenomenal compensation plan where you can actually earn from promoting your own business, which is, you know, just fantastic. So anyway, that's what I got, guys. Check out Where did I put it? Right there. Check out my blog, paulgfarmer.com. Again, everything I do, I'm transparent. I'm telling you what I do. Okay, come to my blog, and you'll see some different things. I have PLS here, obviously. I have some systems. If you guys want to get some different marketing systems, right here. Powerful marketing system right here. That's a marketing system that uses Power Lead System. And this is a marketing system that uses Power Lead System. You get the share codes. You get the whole system. Everything is done, including emails. Business in a box. You're done. Okay, so it's right here. And then you can get my training. Now I have training here. I do not broadcast this list, but you know, you are going to learn what I do on a daily basis and why I do it. And also I offer a training site that you can go register for. And if you just message me, I'll open it up to you fully. But you can go register for it for free. See if it opens up. Just register for it. Let's see here. So you can just register, put your username, email, all that stuff. And then just notify me and I'll let you in, okay? So that has some different marketing materials, some resources, some personal development, some training, all kinds of stuff in there. That's free, okay? So should be a register button here. I don't know why it's not showing up. So I need to figure that out. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Get yourself Power Lead System. There's a 7-day trial. 7-day free trial, so you can test it out, all the bells and whistles, test it out, see what you think. You know, I know, here's the other thing, when people get Power Lead System, they don't usually quit it. Why? Because they have their marketing system in Power Lead System, so they're not going to quit. So that's another great perk to Power Lead System. With that, I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.